Here's how to turn off sensitive content on Instagram. Now open up the Instagram app. You can see I'm on an iPhone, but you can do the exact same steps on an Android as well. Keep in mind, it might be different if you're under 18. I'll show you what to do. Now let's head into the settings here. So first just get into the settings, and they move this around a bit, but currently the sensitive content is within the content preferences. You'll be able to see an option that says sensitive content. Keep in mind, if you don't see the options to change it to more or less, it could be because your birthday sets you to under 18, which automatically restricts it. I'll show you what to do if it does. But on here, if you wanted to turn this off, you just switch it to less, and it says you will see less sensitive content. Now, again, if your birthday is an issue, let's just go back, tap on the three lines to get to your settings. And now from here within the personal details, you can see your birthday. All you need to do is update your birthday. If it says that you're under 18 and you're really over 18, just update it to the correct birthday so that you'll be able to control the sensitive content.